Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Achalasia cardia, right? Achalasia cardia, right? Achalasia cardia. The literal meaning of achalasia cardia is failure to relax. That means achalasia. The word achalasia actually means failure to relax. That means actually there is a sphincter which is present. The lower esophageal sphincter is mainly affected, and this lower esophageal sphincter is not able to relax. Actually, this what is the affected lower esophageal sphincter is affected, and what happens actually even the muscle of esophagus and the lower esophageal sphincter is affected. So because of the muscle of esophagus and lower esophageal sphincter will be in a state of constant tone of contraction. That state has a constant state of tone with periods of relaxation. In fact, there is minute relaxation or with no relaxation is seen. According to the present theory, there is destruction of the nerves is seen in the lower esophageal sphincter is the main pathology. First and foremost, there is destruction of the nerves in the lower esophageal if a sphincter occurs, then there is degeneration of neuromuscular function of body of esophagus can also occur. So both these are responsible for achalasia cardia. Achalasia cardia is actually a pre-malignant condition which leads to the squamous cell carcinoma.
thank you and thank you for watching.